And I mentioned it last hour, really no need this weekend to escape because it's beautiful weather.
Where are you going, right?
Yeah, where are you going?
Yeah, I mean, this is just some of the best weather that we've seen in a long time. And we are tracking one of the coolest mornings that we have seen in a long time with temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Fort Payne, you've actually dropped to the low 50s in the last hour. 59 degrees right now in Muscle Shoals. Thankfully, not seeing much fog on the Lake Guntersville sky cam. It's 58 degrees. And you'll also notice, again, all of that, what's moving through right now in the sky, those are not clouds. That is actually smoke. Big batch of western wildfire smoke moving in from out of the northwest. It's mostly elevated, but I'll monitor the air quality through the rest of this morning and into this afternoon. Hour by hour temperatures, any little bit of the fog that we're seeing right now closer to the Paint Rock River Basin, that's going to clear out by 9 o'clock, and we're up to about 82, 83 today. Still about 5 degrees below normal for this time of the year. That comes with lighter winds today and still tracking that low humidity. So just fantastic forecast for not just today, but even this weekend. On the way, 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Clear skies other than that smoke and a little bit of that light fog. Of course, we are dry on all three of our radars. And it's going to take until about Tuesday and Wednesday of next week before we even start to see some rain moving back into North Alabama. So you may need to get the sprinklers out and water that lawn if you're still taking care of that. And as we animate this, again, nothing really showing up other than a little bit of that smoke on some of our sky cams. Tracking the humidity, this is 4 o'clock this afternoon. Browns and tans, good this time of the year. That is very dry air, low humidity, really comfortable conditions for your Friday afternoon. Even tomorrow, we're still seeing that drier than normal air right overhead. And then by Sunday, you'll notice that we're starting to get a little bit more of the greens moving back in. Not too bad, though. We'll take the worst conditions staying off to our south and west. Earlier this week, before the cold front came through, we were in those deep greens on the map. Really muggy conditions, but that's just not the case all the way through Sunday. Future radar and satellite, we'll see a few little pop-up clouds developing this afternoon closer to DeKalb County. That's about it. Mostly sunny skies to sunny skies for everyone else. 8 o'clock this evening, clear skies, light winds. So that means the temperature is going to drop pretty quickly all the way through these football games. And keep in mind, the sun is now setting before 7 p.m. So it's going to drop pretty quickly throughout these games. All the way through tomorrow morning, this is 8 a.m. tomorrow. A few clouds moving in from out of the northwest, but these kind of dissipate all the way into your Saturday afternoon. Just great conditions to get some things done outside. Maybe need to take care of the grass. No big issues. A little on the warm side, though. Make sure you're hydrated and make sure you have that sun protection. 9 o'clock by Saturday evening, still staying clear and dry. So this is actually a new update. It came down about 20 minutes ago from the National Hurricane Center. They've actually increased the odds of development over the next 5 days. They now give it a 70% chance of developing in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, Bay of Campeche. And what we may see with this, it may just kind of ride up the coast all the way into early next week. That could bring some heavy rain, flooding to places like Texas and into Louisiana. This could also get absorbed by a frontal system by early to middle parts of next week, and that rain could get directed right at North Alabama Tuesday into Wednesday. It looks like the core is likely going to stay off to our south, but still some heavier rain by the second half of next work week, something we'll just have to watch all the way through the next 5 days. Rainfall forecast, this goes through 11 o'clock on Thursday of next week, about a half an inch to an inch of rainfall. This forecast will change a lot just depending on what happens with that system in the Gulf of Mexico. Until then, we warm up through the weekend, highs back up to 90 on Monday, and the trash banda should be okay through at least Tuesday, if not Wednesday, but we'll monitor those conditions out at Toyota Field closely.
All right, thank you.